Hi guys, a very warm welcome to all of you. I hope you're all doing great. So if you're all here, if you're all excited for this session on the previous year's questions of binomial theorem, then give me a thumbs up and give me some excitement in the chat. Hello Jagadish, welcome man. Let us wait for your friends to join and then we will get started with this amazing session. Hi Yukti, very nice to see you Yukti. Great Jagadish, Vishnu Kumar, hi man, welcome. So people, today's topic is binomial theorem and I'm gonna do some of the most interesting questions of this chapter. And you know what guys, when I was preparing this lecture for you, I observed something very important. In binomial theorem, the type of questions, it keeps repeating. It keeps repeating like anything. Okay, so try to solve the previous years and get better at it, and that's it, you're done with it, because the questions keep repeating of similar type. Okay. Hi Varun, Maruti, welcome after a long time. Hello Anisha. So all our ninjas are coming back. Vishnu, welcome man. So shall we begin guys? For all those who are new to this channel, who are seeing me for the first time, guys, my name is Shimon Joseph. I teach math at Vedantu, and to talk about my background, I did my BTech from IIT, and when I was like you guys, I also prepared for many exams. I wrote KVPY and I cleared it. I wrote JEE Mains and I was one of the state toppers in Tamil Nadu. So that is my background, and if you guys want to know me better, if you want to be a friend, then you can probably follow me on Instagram. I do respond to almost the doubts of every student, and if you want to have some conversation, you can reach out to me over there. Okay. Hello Kirito. Yes, I saw you. Yes Kirito, welcome. So guys, this is the schedule for the upcoming week, and as you guys can see over here, today we are at binomial theorem and that is Tuesday. Tomorrow we have application of derivatives, and guys, application of derivative is again a very important topic. I hope you're all aware of it. It has a very high weightage in your JEE Mains. So many of you might have attended my session on the strategy for JEE Mains, in which I clearly told you how important these chapters are going to be. Okay, and then you have a very new event in this channel. How many of you are excited for the mock test series? So I and my team are preparing a mock test for you guys so that you can be ready for your JEE Main. It will be very similar to your JEE Main pattern, and I will discuss the entire paper with you guys. Okay, great Kirito, that's awesome, and I'm sure Thursday is going to be amazing. And again we'll come back to the lectures on Saturday, and Friday I'm going to talk about what are the colleges that you can get into by writing your JEE Mains. Many of you have this doubt, sir, which colleges come under JEE Mains? Which colleges can I get if I get a decent percentile? So all that question I'm going to answer for you. I hope you guys are all ready and excited for this week, the first week of Feb. So guys, a very happy February to all of you. Let's have a great time. And yes, Maruti, I will increase the brightness a little bit. Even I noticed that. So I will do that. And welcome. Who is that? Praveshini, welcome. Great to see you. So let me increase the brightness a little bit. It's too dark. Yes, you guys are right. I think this should be fine. So people, I will get into the lecture. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, because I want to keep meeting you guys again and again. And don't forget to give a like also, because that encourages us and that's something which lets us know that we are doing something good for you. Okay. So for 12th at Enthuse, right after JEE Mains Naushiba, okay, I will try to cover each and every chapter for you guys. So people, are you ready to make some notes? Are you ready for solving the previous year's binomial theorem questions? Anybody with a doubt or a question before we get in? Okay, that's the spirit, Kirito. What about others? Yukti, brilliant. So guys, like I said, I've brought some very interesting questions. Try to solve them. We'll have a great conversation and then we will learn together. So here we go, people. The first question right on your screen, and this is from your JEE Main 2020. So a very recent year question, and I want to show you guys how to solve it and how to approach it right from the basics. So if I'm solving it for the first time, how do I do it? I'm going to teach you that, okay? Very good, Govind. Please try to solve it, guys. All of you. I want everybody to participate and try to solve and get this question correct. Okay? Exactly. Yes. That's the first step. SL is right. So the first step is what? Write the general term, because we need to figure out what is the term independent of x. Exactly, SL. So what is the general term? General term is TR plus 1, which will be equal to what? 10CR into AX to the power 1 by 9 to the power n minus r, which will be 10 minus r, isn't it? So I'll write this as 10 minus r into beta x to the power minus 1 by 6 to the power r. So if I collect the powers of x, don't you agree? It will be 10 minus r by 9 minus r by 6, and this should be 0. Did you all get this? How many of you understood this? I collected the powers of x and I equated it to 0. Are you all okay with that, people? Can you please look at it and let me know whether you are able to follow? Very good, Kirito. Let's check it. Very good, Praveshini. I'm so glad the 11th standard students are able to solve a JEE Main question. You guys are awesome. Brilliant. So when I solve it, what will I get? Let's try to do it. I'll get 60 minus 6r minus 9r is equal to 0, which implies r is equal to 4. So r equal to 4 will be the term independent of x. So if I put r equal to 4 back, what will I get? I will get 10c4 alpha power 4 beta power 6. Alpha power 6 beta power 4. Isn't it right? So I need to find what is the maximum value, right? I need to find the maximum value of this. So I have a problem. Now I have hit a roadblock, because I need to find out what is alpha power 6 beta power 4, and only then I can solve it. But guys, that is why they have given you this information, and this information can give you something, and these two are hint. What hint? If alpha and beta are positive, we know that we can use our AMGM inequality. Did you all observe that? Everybody? So whenever your alpha and beta are positive, and if you are given alpha cube plus beta square equal to 4, then I can use your AMGM inequality, and that will give me a very beautiful expression. So that is what I'm waiting to attempt. Hello Manish, welcome man. So shall we move forward, guys? Let's get into it. What do we have here? Alpha cube plus beta square equal to 4. So I'll apply my AM will be greater than or equal to GM. GM will be what? Alpha cube beta square whole to the power 1 by 2. So this is nothing but 4. So I will write 4 here. So 4 by 2 is greater than or equal to, this is alpha cube beta square whole power 1 by 2. So I will square on both sides. So I'll get 4 is greater than or equal to alpha cube beta square. Again I will square it. If I again square it, I will get 16 is the maximum value of alpha power 6 beta power 4. So what is the maximum value of alpha power 6 beta power 4? It is 16. So TR plus 1, the greatest value of it for independent term, that is T5. The T5's greatest value will be 10C4 into highest value of alpha power 6 beta power 4. which is 16. So this is your answer. I hope you guys got it. Everybody clear with it? Did you all like it? Everybody? So if you guys have understood it, give me a thumbs up. Give me a yo in the chat quickly. Hello Abhimanyu, welcome man. Very nice to see you back again. So if anybody has a doubt, you can let me know. Very good Praveshini. What about travel with AK? Did you all understand it? Nirupan. Hello Nirupan. Very, very warm welcome. Hello. Did you understand it? Everybody? So shall I move forward to the next question? Yes? Okay, let's proceed. So this is a category of question. And guys, like I said, these type of questions keep repeating. In JEE Mains, the questions are repeating like crazy in this particular chapter. Okay. So I was seeing almost like last 2 years, 3 years papers, and almost 5-6 times one type of question has repeated. Okay. So try to spend some time, observe it and master it. Okay. So here we go. So the solution is completely given to you. Very good, Kirito. That's awesome. So the solution will be attached in the description and also in our Telegram group. So if you guys are not part of the Telegram group, try to join it. And yes, you people were right. Option B is the right answer. So here we go, people. This is the next category of question, which is again too frequently repeated. This is the next category, which is again too frequently repeated. I didn't want to take same type of questions again and again. So that is why I chose the variety which is essential for you guys to have a complete revision, because you guys have trusted us and you have come here for your revision. So I want you to have a great time, a great experience, and also a fruitful one. So that is why I have taken time to include only the variety of question. So please make sure you guys are sincerely noting it down. Okay. Hello Shreya, welcome. Very nice to see you, Shreya. So please solve it, guys. Are you all clear with this question? So this is plus, okay? 1 plus 1 by x to the power n. So what are the 3 consecutive coefficients? The 3 consecutive coefficients, you can take them to be NCR minus 1, NCR and NCR plus 1. Okay, you can take these to be the 3 consecutive coefficients, and the ratio is given. Just use it. It is just one formula in binomial theorem. What formula I'm going to use? I'm going to use the formula NCR by NCR minus 1 is equal to n minus r plus 1 by r, and this is the only formula you will have to use. Okay, this is the only formula which you have to use, and guys, if you use this, you will get the answer. Pakka. Saumik, the cutoff usually is very less. It will be around 100 or 90 like that for general category. Okay, it will be very less. So clearing cutoff is not a very difficult thing. It will be conducted in a computer, Sridevi. Okay. I hope I answered your question, Saumik. Hello, Haya, welcome. Santosh, welcome man. Very good, Anisha. Anisha, you are of course right. Absolutely. Yes, Abhimanyu, I am doing good, man. Welcome. So people, try to solve it. Everybody, try to solve it and let me know. But SL, why do you want to do that in this question? In this question, it's a very simple expansion. Yes. Okay. But the corresponding consecutive coefficients, SL, you will get it in this fashion only. See, SL, we are focused only on the coefficients, so don't worry about it. It's not a big issue. Because even if you write it in reverse, 3 consecutive coefficients will be in the same form. Ragunesh, I have responded to everybody, man. Today morning I was responding to everybody. In case I missed yours, please reply to me again. Please remind me again. Don't feel bad about it. Whenever you reply me again or ask me again, I will respond. Kirito asked a doubt, but I didn't respond to Kirito because even I myself don't know. Kirito, Turkey, I'll have to do some research and only tell you. Okay. So that is why I didn't respond. Okay. So guys, Very good, Anisha. Yes, I saw your post last day at Target. So I also follow you guys. Don't worry. Okay, chalo, let's solve this question, guys. Yeah, we will try to solve this question and we will see how it is done. Listen very carefully. So what do we have over here? So I have the ratio of these three as 2:5:12. So guys, look at this very carefully. So can I say NCR by NCR minus 1 is equal to 5/2? Are you guys cool with that? Everybody? And similarly, can I say NCR plus 1 by NCR is equal to 12/5? Yeah? And this can be solved very easily. It's going to be what? N minus R plus 1 by R is equal to 5/2. How do I do that? N minus this by this. Same way I'll do that. N minus this, N minus R by this, which is R plus 1. So you got two linear equations. Can't you guys solve it and get the answer? Laddu, guys. Yes, Ragunesh, I will definitely reply you. Don't worry, tonight. So coming back to this question, you can solve it because it is just two linear equation in two variables. I hope you guys realize that. Okay, so what will you get? You will get 2n minus 7r plus 2 is equal to 0. And here what will you get? You will get 5n minus 17r is equal to 12. So two equations, two unknowns, solve it and get me the answer. Can you guys please do it? You are supposed to get n is equal to 118 and r I am not sure. What is r? Can anyone tell me? Can anyone tell me? Please do it quickly, guys. Come on. All of you. Everybody is able to understand, na? It's not a very difficult question. So guys, if you are all able to follow, can you all give me a thumbs up or a yo in the chat quickly? Hello, Shrinu. Welcome, man. Very nice to see you. People, have you all understood it? Can you all give me a thumbs up or a yo in the chat quickly? Very, very quickly. Hello, Dolananda. Welcome, man. Great, great, great. Very good, Bindu. Very good, SL. SL has understood it. Great, SL. Okay. Harshavardhan has got it. Kirito, brilliant. Kirito, R cannot be negative. R should be positive. Very good, Priya. So guys, this is the way you solve it. If anybody has a doubt, you have to feel free to talk, guys. Okay. Only then I will know. Very good, Anisha. That's right. R is equal to 34. Shreya, welcome Shreya. Great to see you. So guys, this is the way to do it. I have attached the solution so that the ones who are reading through this later on will also benefit. But to get the session PDF, you have to be in our JEE Telegram Enthuse channel. Okay. So Telegram channel is where I share my PDF and also in the description. So make sure you guys are following us and making a note of it. This is again a very interesting question. Look at it. Same type of question. Same type. No, Mainak. Mainak, the thing is, Navy admission is for those who wrote JEE Mains last year. So that is why I didn't do the session. Okay. So you should have written JEE Mains 2020. Because for the entry into that, you need to write your JEE Mains percentile and score. So it is not for the current year 12th standard students. It is for the last year students who already passed out. Okay. Who already have given JEE Mains. So it is basically for droppers. That is why I didn't do that video. Okay. Not many, man, but yes, that concept is needed for mains. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, Mainak. Next year you can apply. If you want, I'll talk about it. You can let me know on Instagram. If you have any doubt, just message me on Instagram. I'll tell you how to apply. Okay. My Telegram account is the same as my Instagram account. So guys, everywhere my account is the same. It is Shimon_Joseph. Okay. So this is my ID in Instagram as well as Telegram. I will help you out in case you have a personal question. Okay? Cool. So guys, anybody with the answer for this? Anisha, Kirito has already answered. Okay, great. I'm not very sure whether that's correct. Okay. Yes, Nirupan. But in my name also there are many people, man. The world is not small. It has 7 billion people. So whatever name you keep, you will have someone with your name already. Unless you are Elon Musk. I hope you know what he named his daughter, right? So that name nobody will keep. Okay. So people, let's try to solve this question. So what do we have here? So whenever you have term independent of x, you have to write the general term. So that's going to be what? That's going to be 9CR into 3 by 2 x square whole raised to the power 9 minus r into minus 1 by 3x whole raised to the power r. Are you all fine with that? Very good, Tathagata. Very good. Awesome, Nirupan. So guys, the correct answer was said by Anisha, Tathagata and Nirupan, because the right answer is option D. You guys are perfectly correct. Good job. Absolutely right. Now, how do I solve it? I didn't complete it yet. So let me complete it. Please listen carefully. So whenever I want to track the term independent of x, I need to collect the powers of x. So the power of x in the first term is 2 into 9 minus r, and the power of x in the second term is minus r. So that should be equal to 0. So when I add the powers, it should be 0 because I want the term independent of x. Term independent of x means the power of x should be 0. Okay. So when I solve it, what will I get? I'll get r is equal to 6, isn't it? So if I get r is equal to 6, it is going to be the seventh term, which is 9c6, and I will have into 3 by 2 to the power 3, and then I'll have minus 1 by 3 to the power 6. So just solve it and get the answer. This is going to be your 18k. This is going to be your k. Okay. So you want to find out 18k, so you guys can figure it out. It's very simple. Hello, Dairya Bhatt. Welcome, man. So T7 is equal to k, and 9c6 is how much? 9c6 is going to be 7 into 8 into 9 by 3 factorial is 6, and then you'll have 27 by 8 into 1 by 3 power 6. So 3 power 5 will cancel, 1 3 will be left out here, and 8 and 8 will get cancelled. So I'll have k is equal to 7 by 18. So, which implies 18k is equal to 7. Did you all understand that, people? Power minus r, yes, because you have x in the denominator, right? So, if I have x in the denominator, the power is going to be minus r. That's what I did. Did you all like it? Hello, Lakshmi Nandana. Very nice to see you. Guys, all of you got it. So shall I move forward? If anybody has a doubt, feel free to ask me because I am here to help you out. Sugda, welcome Sugda. We were all missing you. Great to see you back. So people, if you have all got it, then I'm going to move forward because I have plenty of interesting questions to discuss and all the solutions are attached for every question. So if you want this, you have to be a part of our Telegram group. Make sure you guys are joining it. Now this is an interesting question. This question I really liked. I really liked because it was asked in 2020 and it was not a previously known category. Okay, previously questions like this haven't come up, but this is very good and I want everybody to think about it and solve it. Okay. Ankit, there were 50% offers going on. Right now, there is only 20% offer, Ankit. Samala Sai Vivek, welcome. Thank you, man. I'm doing great and I hope you are also doing fine. Exactly, SL. SL, you're absolutely right. Very good, very good. So guys, everybody try to solve it. This curly bracket is called as fractional part of x. So whenever you have a curly bracket, let me tell you people, so let's say you have a fractional part of 2.5, it is nothing but 0.5. And when you have fractional part of, let's say 1.7, it is nothing but 0.7. And negative numbers alone, it is different. Negative numbers, let's say fractional part of minus 1.3 will be how much? It is going to be 0.7. Got it? So that you guys should be aware of. Otherwise, you will end up making a mistake. Is that fine, everybody? So for negative alone, you have to be careful. But anyway, negative does not come here. So you need not worry about it. For you, it is going to be simple. Because here it is just positive. Both of them are positive, so no worries. All of you clear? Ekalavya 22, there's still a long way to go, Ankit. It will start probably in January or February. So till then, you'll have to wait for it. Everybody, I hope you guys understood the basics of fractional part of x. So you will have to use it. And the hint is, you have to write 3 to the power 200 as 1 plus, or you can write it as SL. Instead of writing it like this, you can write it as 9 to the power 100. And then you can write 9 as 1 plus 8 to the power 100. Is that clear? That is much better na SL. That is much better na. Did you guys like the way I resolved it? Now I want you guys to think about it and then approach it. Yes, Ankit, we will. Okay? Yes, yes. Should we give PYQ mock test? Yes, man. At least 1 or 2 papers of recent year, please give it. It will be of use to you. It will definitely help you a lot. Okay? Cool. So people, if you have understood it, then I'll solve it for you. So can I say 3 to the power 200 is equal to, if I open it, what will I get? I'll get 100 C0, 8 to the power 0, plus 100 C1, 8 to the power 1, all the way up to 100 C100, 8 to the power 100. Now let's divide by 8. If I divide by 8, I'll get 3 to the power 200 by 8 is equal to, this is 1. So I'll get 1 by 8 plus, this is divisible by 8. So I'll have some integer, 100C1 plus 8 into 100C2, all the way up to 8 to the power 99 into 100C100. Is that okay? Did you guys like it? After I divide by 8, after I divide by 8, this is what is left out. Everybody got it? So now, if I take fractional part on both sides, so we know that all of these quantities are integers. All of these quantities are integers, so I can just forget them. Because fractional part of an integer is 0. Fractional part of an integer is 0. So the answer is just 1 by 8. Because 1 by 8 is what will be left out. Are you all clear? Yes, you should give PYQ as a mock test. I've already answered that, man. Please listen carefully. Okay, so shall we move forward, guys? Yes? Everybody? Sanjeet? Yes, man. I've heard from people. But don't worry about it now. Now that you have given your best attempt, let's take some time to relax. Get back to JEE preparation. KVBY, the official answer key will be out. After that, I will try to solve it for you. Okay. Once the official key and the official paper is outside, only then I will solve it for you guys. Till then, please wait for it. Okay. Let's not take any conclusion right now. Okay. So let's move forward, people. This is the way you solve it. I hope you guys liked it. It's a very unique category of question. And it has been popping up every now and then, okay, especially in the recent year, that is 2019 and 2020. Okay, I'm so glad you guys got to experience it right now so that you can be well prepared for your exam. And talking about well prepared, sir, what can Vedantu do to help me be prepared in a very nice manner? So guys, Vedantu has something called as the Pro subscription. What is a pro subscription? These are the regular classes. Many students ask me, sir, if you are teaching in YouTube, then YouTube is enough, right? So what is the point of me studying in the regular courses? So the most important thing is, in a regular course, the classes are very organized. In YouTube, it can be, here and there. It can be one chapter and then some other chapter of 12th standard. It won't follow a clear sequence. We try to do it, but sometimes it's difficult to follow. But in your regular classes at Vedantu, your classes are very beautifully streamlined. We teach one topic right from the basics, and we have a very, very experienced set of teachers. So if you look at it, we give you 5,000 hours of live teaching, 10,000 plus assignments and test questions. That is crazy. That should be a very, very good amount of questions to solve. And then you have teachers with more than 5 years of experience teaching toppers. You can learn in English or Hindi, your choice. You guys can decide that. And at last, you also get to attend all the micro courses, crash courses that Vedantu conducts. Okay? Hello Nilesh, welcome man. Very, very nice to meet you. So with that, I hope you guys got the gist of what we do in the crash course and in the pro subscription. So check it out in case you're interested. For the 2022 batch, the monthly price is almost 4,000 per month. And if you join for 1 year, it is just 2,800 per month. If you join for 1 year, it is just 2,800 per month. Guys, that is a very reasonable price, I feel, guys. It's crazy reasonable. Okay. Hi, Guardian. Hello, Shakti. Hello, Nilesh. Welcome, guys. Yes, SL, I will solve it for you. This is the droppers plan. For droppers, these are the prices that Vedantu is offering. In case you guys are interested, check it out. Okay. Yes, Nilesh, I am waiting for the official papers. If it is out, please let me know so that I will take it up in the class. So guys, I've shared the link in the chat, and in case you guys are interested, then go for it. You can join me in my pro classes. And like I said, I teach the toppers batch at Vedantu alongside Shreyas sir. So he also handles the toppers batch. So if you want to be a part of the toppers classes at Vedantu, where we teach them how to break into the top 500, top 1000 ranks, then you guys should definitely click on the link and go for it. Okay. If you want to check only 1 month, then buy the 1 month pro subscription. It is just 4,000 rupees. Okay. So that you guys can decide. And it will bring about a change in your life, guys. Because look at the situation. Now, you have the COVID, still situation is the same. It has not changed. Schools are, partially opening up. So a lot of problems are still around. So you have to stick to an online platform. An online platform which has proven results in IIT JEE. Vedantu last year produced All India rank 38 and 41 in JEE. This year we had 43 All India rank. So we consistently produce toppers in IIT Advanced, being an online platform. So you need to definitely take that into your mind. You can't simply go for any random class or any random online situation. You need to really focus on something which can give you the said benefit. The online class timings will be at 6:30 in the evening, Ragunesh. 6:30 and 9 o'clock. You will have only 2 classes per day. Thank you, Nilesh. Nilesh, I'm so happy for you. I'm glad that you did it well, and all the best, man. I hope you clear KVPY. And SL is asking a question again and again and again. So let me help him out with that. So SL, you have to notice the pattern, man. So you see 2 power 1 will have units digit as 2. 2 power 2 will have units digit as 4. 2 power 3 will have units digit as 8. 2 power 4 will have units digit as 16. 2 power 5 will have units digits as 32. Units digits as 2, right? So you see it keeps repeating. So after every cycle of 4, it keeps repeating. So 2 to the power 1024 will end with a 6. So the last digit is 6. As simple as that. Why is it so difficult? I don't know why you had a doubt in this. Did you get it? So this is how you do it. I hope you guys liked it. So now focus on this question, because this question is more important. Why is it more important? Because it is asked in JEE, man. Last year it was asked. Okay. Very good, very good. Yes, Nilesh, absolutely. Section B is usually a bit more difficult. Like I told you, na, I gave you a very good strategy before the exam, right? So I hope you guys followed it. Okay, so here we have a JEE Main 2020 question, and I want everybody to solve it. First of all, did you all observe that this is a GP? Did you all observe that the given thing is a GP? Anisha has solved it. Very good, Anisha. I will check it. I'm not very sure about the answer. How many of you are able to see that this over here, this particular expression, do you all agree it is a geometric progression? Very good, guys. Awesome. Very good, Shakti. Tathagata has answered. We will check who's right. Don't worry. So guys, how many of you are here? Can you all give me a thumbs up? Can you all show me some excitement? Everybody. The class is so silent. Thank you, Nilesh. That means a lot, man. Let me know how it goes. Okay. Okay. Perfect. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant people. Exactly. Very good, Lakshmi Nandana. SL is right. So guys, the GP has first term as this and the common ratio as x by 1 plus x. So that is my common ratio, and my first term is 1 plus x to the power 10. So what is the formula? The formula for sum of an GP is a into r to the power n. It is 1 minus r to the power n. Let's have it. 1 minus r to the power n. How many terms are there? I think you have 11 terms divided by 1 minus r. Is that correct, people? So I'll have s is equal to 1 plus x to the power 11. How? Because I take LCM, 1 plus x will go up. And here I'll have 1 plus x to the power 11 minus x to the power 11. Is that correct, people? Did you all get that? And I'll have divided by 1 plus x to the power 11. That will cancel out. So do you all understand? S is nothing but 1 plus x to the power 11 minus x to the power 11. We want coefficient of x to the power 7. So x to the power 7 will come from here, which is just 11C7. That is my answer. Okay? 11C7, what is the value? Is it 420? 11C7, is it 420? I'm not very sure. How much is the value of it? It's going to be 11 factorial by 7 factorial, 4 factorial, which will be 8 into 9 into 10 into 11 divided by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. So 2 and 4, 8 will cancel out, and this will be 330, guys. So Tathagata was right. Tathagata, you are absolutely correct, because option B, 330 is the correct answer. Did you all like it? Everybody? All of you cool with it? So shall I move forward? Everybody has understood it now? Brilliant job, guys. That is the right way to do it, and I'm so happy that you guys are catching up so quickly. Good job, Lakshmi. So with that, let us move forward to the next question right on your screen. Please try it out. Everybody should try it out. Good, Shakti. That's awesome, man. So we have, let x is equal to, so x plus 10 power 50 plus x minus 10 power 50, and that you are expanding. So how will that turn out to be? So this will be what? It will be just 2 into, you will have what? 50C0 x to the power 50 plus 50C2 x to the power 48 10 square, and so on till 50C50. You will have x power 0 10 power 50. So that is how it will be. Don't you all agree? Don't you all agree? This summation will be like this, because the odd terms will get cancelled out. The odd terms will be plus and minus, na? So they will get cancelled out. You will have only this left out. Are you all clear with that, people? Everybody? So Now, what is A naught? A naught is the constant term. So, power of x is 0. So, power of x is 0 means this is your A naught. So, A naught will be 2 into 50C50 into 10 to the power 50. That is your A naught. What is your A2? Because we want A2 by A naught, right? A2 is the coefficient of x square. So, x square will be the before term. So, A2 will be coefficient of x square, which will be 50C49 into x, 50C48, right? 50C48 into x square, but x square is not needed because we want only the coefficient. So 50C48 into 10 to the power 48. That is your A2. So can you guys find A2 by A naught? No, Daniel, KVPY is one of the ways in which you can enter IISc. Okay, it is not the only way. You can write JEE Mains, JEE Advanced, get a good rank in JEE Advanced, and then also you can apply. And you can directly apply to IISc also for research internships. Okay, but KVPY is the way which all toppers get in. Yes, Shakti, I'll check it out. Hello, Naveen Reddy. Welcome, Naveen. Yes, Tathagata, I hope you achieve it. I will definitely do my part to help you. I missed a 2 in the A2. Yes. So I should have a into 2, guys. Don't forget that. Nirupan is absolutely right. Nirupan is absolutely right. Good job, Nirupan. You are absolutely correct. Why do you want that, Kirito? Because I think A1 will be 0, Kirito. So you cannot do that, na? Because there is no coefficient of x power 1. X power 1 term is not there, right? So you are enforcing it. That is not correct. Got it? Everybody clear? Harshavardhan, yes, tell me, Harshavardhan, what did you say? I did not see your chat. Can you please resend it? I hope everybody has got it. So guys, the answer you can figure it out now. So let me solve it because I know some of you have not still solved it. So please do it along with me, guys. You have to be more active. What is A2 by A naught? A2 by A naught is equal to 2 into 50C48. 50C48 is what? 50 factorial by 48 factorial 2 factorial. So it will be 50 into 49 by 2 into 10 to the power 48. Divided by, you will have 2 into 50C50 is 1 into 10 to the power 50. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled out. You will have 10 power 48. This will be 10 power 2. So 10 power 2 and this will be 2. So answer will be 49 by 4. 49 by 4 is 12.25, which is option A. I hope you guys are clear with it. Everybody got it? Was it a difficult question? It was a laddu, right? It was a laddu question. What happened to my voice? YouTube sessions, man. Too many YouTube sessions changed my voice. Okay, so guys, I hope you guys are clear with it. I'm talking like Bane in Batman. I think for the next part, they'll call me. Yeah, Harshavardhan. Harshavardhan, you can do that also. Yes, you're absolutely right, Harshavardhan. I totally agree with you. Okay. Thank you, Nilesh. That is nice of you, man. Yup, Nirupan. My easy support. See, straight line is a very important high weightage topic. So I would say start off with the basics. Maybe start off with NCERT. Try to do NCERT first, get better at it, and then do some previous year's question. Okay, so direct, I would say first try to get better at NCERT level, then go to Cengage or something, and then go to your previous year's questions. That will help. Okay. Yes, Kirito, I am drinking warm water and warm tea. So you can see that. After the session also, I'll go have some warm tea. I think that will help. Pungodi, welcome Pungodi. Very good, very good. Hello Achyut, welcome back, man. Great to see you again. NCERT 100% completed. Then you can try to solve some Cengage. So if you have Cengage textbook, you can either buy it online or you can buy it on a store and you can try solving them. So they are probably the intermediate questions. So the right way to solve it is NCERT, Cengage or Tattva, and then previous year's questions. What is Tattva? Tattva, if you join the crash course, Vedantu will provide you my easy support. That is probably the best material for JEE Mains, which is available on the nation. Okay, on a national level, that is the best material. I've already told you guys, Tattva is what helped many of my students get into top 100, top 500 ranks. Okay, so if you want to use that, you have to be a part of the fantastic crash course that is designed for you. Okay, so people, shall we move forward? Everybody is cool with it? Yes? Learners, is that Venisha? Okay. Trigonometry will start probably once the first JEE Main attempt is done. KVPY cutoff, Soumya, I am waiting for the answer key and the question paper. Only after that I will be able to comment. So here we go, people. The next question for you right on your screen. It looks like a very lengthy question and a very, very easy one though. Repeat this session. Achyut, you can replay it, man. Navaneet, welcome Navaneet. Very nice to see you. Hello Suhas. Suhas, welcome man. I missed your message. Welcome back. Exactly, it's a very, very lengthy question. So please try to solve it. Think about it and do it. You guys can crack it. Yes, Venisha. You didn't change your profile pic, I think. That's why I was able to get it. So it is something related to your painting and you're talking about trigonometry. Painting and trigonometry, the only student I know is you. So that was easy. Okay. Albert Einstein, Achyut, you can just pull the video back and you can watch it and come. By the time people are solving this question, you can just watch it and come back. Shakti has answered it. Shakti is saying, sir, Pakka, it is option A only, sir. Okay, let's wait and see. Kirito says B. Oh, okay, Anisha. Anisha, if you want, I will read it for you. So in the expansion of x by cos theta plus 1 by x sin theta whole to the power 16, L1 is the least value of the term independent of x when theta lies between pi by 8 to pi by 4. And L2 is the least value of the term independent of x when theta lies between pi by 16 to pi by 8. Then what is the ratio of L2 by L1? Very good Nirupan, very good Abhishek. Guys, the correct answer is option A. Option A is the right answer and I'm so happy that some of you were able to crack it. And this is just a proof that because the question is big, it does not mean it is correct. It does not mean that it is difficult. Okay. It is actually a very easy, simple, solvable question. Okay. Hello Surur Mirza. I am doing great. Welcome to the session. I am glad you could make it. So guys, shall we discuss this? So first of all, I need to figure out the term independent of x. So what do? Just look at the number of questions based on term independent of x. Don't you guys agree? From the time the class started, this is the third time we are doing the same concept. So that is the number of questions which are of the similar type which were asked in 2020. Okay. So this is an important category. I hope you guys are all able to master it. So TR plus 1 will be what? 16CR. It will be x by cos theta whole to the power 16 minus r into you will have 1 by x sin theta whole to the power r. So that is what we have as your TR plus 1. So the term independent of x will be what? 16 minus r is equal to 0. So r equal to 8. So I think the middle term r equal to 8 is going to be the one which will have no power of x. That is the term independent of x. Everybody clear? Very good, Shakti. That's awesome, man. Absolutely, Nirupan, you're right. So guys, I hope everybody understood how r is equal to 8 has come. So after we get r is equal to 8, then I will get my term independent of x. So T9 is the term independent of x, which will be what? 16C8 into, I will have x to the power 8 by cos to the power 8 theta into 1 by x to the power 8 sine to the power 8 theta. So I will multiply by 2 to the power 8. I will get sine 2 theta whole power 8. Is that correct? Is that correct? So when my theta lies between 0, pi by 8 to pi by 4, sine 2 theta will be maximum 1. So the least value will be when sine 2 theta is 1. That means theta is pi by 4. So yes, the least value will be 16C8 into 2 power 8. But now L2, the least value will be 16C8 into 2 power 8 by sine 2 theta whole power 8. But please understand, here your theta cannot be pi by 4. Your theta's maximum value is pi by 8. So 2 theta will lie between what? Pi by 8 to pi by 4. And we know we want the denominator to be maximum. Why denominator should be maximum? Because when denominator is maximum, only then the value will be the least value. So for denominator to be maximum, I will put my highest value of 2 theta, because sine is an increasing function. So if I put the highest value of theta pi by 4, 2 theta, I'll get sine of pi by 4, which will be 1 by root 2. So I will get 16C8 into 2 power 8 into 1 by root 2 power 8. So that will be 16C8 into 2 to the power 12. So now if I divide both of them, what will I get? I'll get 2 to the power 4, which is 16. Did you guys like that? Everybody? Are you all able to understand it? It's a very simple question. It just looks lengthy. That's it. It is just looking a bit lengthy, but otherwise it's a simple one. I hope you guys are all able to follow. If you have any doubts, please feel free to let me know. All good? Everybody cool with it? So shall I move forward, people, to the next question? Very good, Nilesh. Very good, Anisha. Perfect. So here we go, people, to the next question, which is right on your screen. Again, a very interesting one. I want everybody to give it a try. Please go for it. Very good, Nilesh, Anisha. Exactly, Sukda. Good, Harshavardhan. Good, Nirupan. What about Kirito? Kirito, are you here? Achyut, are you guys able to follow? So I want you to find the number of integral terms in this expansion. Okay, the number of integral terms is 33, and you need to find out what is the least value of n which can help in getting 33 integral terms. So what do I mean by integral terms? So first try the general term. What will you have? You will have NCR, you will have 3 to the power n minus r by 2, and you will have 5 to the power r by 8. So if it has to be an integer, then r should be divisible by 8. R should be divisible by 8. So r will be like this, and n minus r should be divisible by 2. N minus r should be 0, 2, 4, 6 and so on. Now I cannot check both of them, right? I want both of them to be satisfied, but which is the most important condition which will take care of the other? So the most important condition is this one. Because if I ensure r is divisible by 8, then this is automatically taken care of whenever n is positive and even. And your n is even. Look at the options. All the 4 options are even. So from here, since n is even, r should be even, that's it. So for the second condition, r should be even, but for the first condition, r should be a multiple of 8. So this is a more restricting condition, so I take that and I try to solve it. Did you all understand? So r should be 0, 8, 16. That is my final conclusion. Now I have exactly 33 terms which are integers. So this should continue till 33. So it will continue till what? It will continue till 32 into 8. Okay, so 32 into 8 will be what? Any idea? It will be 256. So 256 will be the maximum value of r to find the least value of n. And that r, the maximum value of r, will be equal to n. So the answer is option C. I hope you guys liked it. Did you all understand the way I solved it? Kanha Tiwari, absolutely right. Nilesh, Anisha, Nirupan, you guys are all awesome and fantastic work, guys. Fantastic work. Any doubts that you want to ask me? So shall we move forward, guys? Everybody? All of you are clear with this question? Brilliant work. Keep it up. And let us look at one final question before we wrap up the session. I want you to try this question out, guys. Everybody of you. Everybody here should try this question out. It's a brilliant question. Yes, Sinchan, take care, man. I hope you enjoyed the session. So guys, how do you expand this? Try to think about expanding it. When r is 0, what will you get? You will get 50c6. When r is 1, you will get 49c6. Like that, you keep going all the way up to r is 20, so you will get 30c6. So this is the expansion. So when I open the sum, this is what I get. Okay. Now you need to simplify it. That is the question. Can you please think of doing something here? Everybody. Yes, Tattva is enough for JEE. Even for JEE Advanced, I would say it's enough. Because Tattva is one of the best books available in the country for IIT JEE preparation. And Tattva is provided to you if you join the crash course, guys. I will show you the crash course link at the end of the class. So in case you are interested to join the crash course, it is already pinned at the top. So I'll be handling a few of the classes in case you guys have time, and if you feel it is gonna help you, then go for it, because the price right now is very, very, very reasonable, around 8,000 rupees. Yes, Dureraj, on Thursday I will do the one shot for mathematical reasoning, the next Thursday. Thank you, Rehan. I'm so happy that you enjoyed it. Very good, very good. We have got lots of answers. I think Ashish Goyal is right. Harshavardhan is also right. Very good. Kirito, are you sure? So guys, what I'll do here is I will add 30c7 and I will subtract 30c7. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll combine these two. What is NCR plus NCR minus 1? So it will be n plus 1 CR. CR means it will become 7. Now again this and this will become what? 32c7. Like that it keeps going. You'll have finally 50c6 plus 50c7, and then minus this term will be there, 30c7. Now this is what? This is going to be 51c7. So that is why option A is correct. Did you all like it? What did I use? I used this formula, NCR plus 1 minus plus NCR is equal to n plus 1 CR plus 1. So that's the formula I used. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Everybody clear with it? Very good, Nirupan, Anisha, Rehan and Nilesh. You guys are all absolutely correct. Good job. Okay, so people, with that we will conclude. I hope you liked it, and in case you have any doubts, let me know. Otherwise, I have some homework questions for you, and this homework question will be available to you as a PDF in the description or in the Telegram group, which I will show you right now. So guys, the crash course, like I said, if you want to be a part of my classes at Vedantu, like I said, I will take a few topics in the crash course, and it is going to be taken by the best teachers of India. We have Pulkit sir, we have Arvind Kalia sir. All of us are coming together with full enthusiasm to help you guys with this last final phase of preparation. So you will definitely see an improvement in the way you attempt the test, in the way your scores are improving. The best part is we not only cover the entire portion, but we will also give you full test and part test. The full test will be exactly NTA pattern, and I told you what is the importance of full test. Full tests are useful to revise the entire syllabus, to know where you are weak, and it also helps you to have a good exam temperament. You need to have a very good mindset when you are solving the exam. Okay, so that is why these things are given. And the best and the foremost important feature is you will also get Tattva as a part of it. Like I said, Tattva is the study material of Vedantu, which we use for toppers. And in case you guys want to solve it, want to get better, many of you are saying, sir, I have NCERT, I have Cengage, I have previous years, but what is the right and the best material to solve now? I would say nothing beats Tattva, and if you guys want Tattva, you have to be a part of the crash course. It is just 8,000 rupees for next 5 months. Yes, Kirito, you do get Tattva for pro subscription also. Hi, Study Tech. Hello, Shashank. Welcome, guys. So it is 8,000 for the next 5 months. So it starts from Feb, March, April, May. And if you guys clear mains, then you might be able to use it till the time you write your advance as well, the resources at Vedantu. So if that is interesting, then use the coupon code which I have given. So SJCC is the coupon code, and the link I have given you on the chat. Okay, any questions guys that you want to ask me about JEE Mains, about life, about anything? So this is the Telegram group. Join us in case you want the PDFs. Yes, Ninad, tell me man, what happened? Are you doing good? So guys, I hope all of you are ready for the exam. Yes, Yogesh, previous year's questions are good enough. Apart from that, you can also solve the Tattva material which I showed you right now, and that is available in the crash course. Did you see KGF chapter 2 teaser? Yes, of course, man. I have seen it. It was very good, right? Thank you, Hardik Baruna. Sugda, thank you, Anisha. You guys are awesome. Kanha, I hope you had a great time. So see you all in the next one, people. Take care. All the very best. Stay safe and do well in your exams. Okay? Bye-bye. See you in the next one. Take care.